I'm bundled up, but these lambs don't seem to care. They just want to play. Be on the top of the pile. Little tiny pile of hay, but they got to see who's going to struggle to be on top. These lambs are all between a week and 2.5 weeks old. That big one looking at us is the oldest one. The spotted and the little white one to the right are twins. And then the little chocolate lamb is a little ram that was born to a yearling. Everybody's healthy, doing good, enjoying this cold day, and they don't seem to care at all that it's cold.